When you're in the mirrors, you have just to press F7 to go to the advanced mode, then go on hardware monitoring. And there you can now adjust the fan curves like before by sliding this particular dots from the graph to the before initialized settings. But if you do it by your own, I would give you the advice to try to adjust it for your special usage. So when you already do it by your own, it's much easier to adjust it than when we adjust it for you, because the settings we chose are optimal mix between cooling and silence, but if you don't need so much power, you can let work the fans in the lower settings till 60 degree on a lower grade, like 50%, and just after this temperature the fans ramp up. And this is the fan for CPU, for the pump, and that are the case fans. And it's all the same procedure for every fan. You just have to adjust the dots and then you can save the changed settings. Nope.